So in this video, we're going to be discussing our underhand race and chase, and it's very similar to our overhand race and chase. The only two major differences is that we're going underhand in our figure 8 patterns rather than overhand, and then the bottom hand is what is going to be leading that motion. So lead with the pinkies rather than the thumbs. So we're going to start off the same way. I have my hands onto my right side here, and I have my right hand that is on bottom that I'm going to lead this figure 8 pattern. We can start off with the hands connected, but then when we want that race and chase, we want to lead and separate that right hand and always have that right hand in front and a little separation. It can be small separations or very large separations. But the hand that is chasing is going to be basically pulled and is along for the ride. There's not going to be really much cutting under with that. It's just going to get pulled as the rope is pulling that through. So now grabbing it in both hands, we're going to start off with some underhand circles. My right hand is on bottom as the rope is on the right, so it's already trying to lead that motion. So again, start with hands connected here. And I'm going to act like I'm drawing a figure 8 with my right hand. And notice how already that hand is in front. And now we will need a little bit of that separation there. And notice that spinal movement. And again, we can have small separations or very large separations as long as we are racing with that right hand and chasing with the opposite. But like I said, the hand that's chasing is kind of just along for the ride. Now we'll reset. I'm going to hold the rope on my left side, still an underhand toss, but now the left hand is on bottom and it's going to be doing the racing. So start off with some circles. We can keep the hands close at the start. Now my left hand is going to be drawing that figure 8, leading with the pinky. And now we can start getting a little bit of separation. And again, you might find one side is a little easier than the other, and that is completely fine here. So that is our underhand race and chase.